Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting instrument, the Wim-Elf 49 key hand roll piano. This is an electronic keyboard designed with portability and beginners in mind. The first thing you notice is how easy it is to handle. It's made from quality, environmentally friendly materials, specifically natural silicone for the keys, and its design is lightweight and portable, meaning someone can easily roll it up and take it anywhere to practice or just play. This particular model features a 49 key layout, which is a good size for getting started without being overwhelming. Despite its compact nature when rolled, the keyboard itself is described as thickened and soft, aiming for a comfortable playing experience that won't hurt your fingers, which is a big plus for new players who are still building finger strength and dexterity. Beyond just the keys, this electronic piano is packed with features to help a beginner learn and explore music. It comes with a generous selection of 47 different tones, allowing the player to experiment with various instrument sounds. There are also 128 rhythms to play along with, helping someone develop timing and rhythm skills. For inspiration or just fun, it includes 14 demo songs. One of the practical features for learning is the recording function. A beginner can record their practice sessions to listen back and identify areas for improvement. It also supports microphone input, which is great if someone wants to sing along while they play. The unit includes standard interfaces for headphones, so you can practice quietly without disturbing others, as well as audio and microphone ports for connecting to external speakers or microphones. The overall aim of this Wim-Elf hand-rolled piano is to make the process of learning piano simpler and more engaging. By providing a comfortable, feature-rich, and portable instrument, it removes some of the barriers that beginners might face with traditional or larger keyboards. The rich tone quality mentioned in the description suggests that even though it's portable and silicone, it still aims to provide a good sound for practice. It's presented as a perfect instrument for piano beginners and an excellent choice for anyone just starting out or looking to pursue their interest in playing music in a flexible way. The Color 02 version offers a specific aesthetic, and while it's listed for adults, its ease of use makes it accessible. Weighing in at 2,500 grams, it's certainly portable, though perhaps not ultralight, but still very manageable for carrying around. This Wim-Elf 49 key hand-rolled piano seems like a solid option for someone looking for a convenient and encouraging way to start their musical journey.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.